The Equoscope finds cells that don't have the right electrical charge. It quickly fixes them in milliseconds until they reach the correct charge level, called membrane potential. That's the power of the Electro-Equoscope.
We're Abby and Amber, Electro-Equoscope technicians with A Bioenergetics.
We've seen firsthand how this technology has helped people feel their best.
Here's what people are saying about some of their experiences.
Over the past several months, we have people flying in that I would never fly in before with bone-crushing pain, radiation pain with lung cancer, chemotherapy pain with liver damage, all kinds of other pain, and these people would have passed away.
I've seen people get up and walk on their own. They haven't taken a single step on their own in 6 years, in like 2.5 hours maybe, and they're up and trucking around.
The fellow with the radiation damage from the lung cancer, a horrible pain. He had shrunk by 2 or 3 inches in height because of the damage to his spine. That's really severe. He had bone pain in his ribs where they were cracking. In the first 2 days, he had no pain.
Some of the horses we've seen, we've had them keep from being put down. We've worked with horses that were in kidney failure and brought them out. They were not eating and drinking. When we got there, they started eating and drinking while we worked on them for the first time. And horses with severe infections, cuts, scrapes. Everybody knows horses like to get injured. That's without this equipment that would heal in 3 months minimum, and we've had it in 2.5 to 3 weeks. They were 100% back to normal, and you couldn't even tell there was ever injury.
A cello player that damaged her head and her neck at 14 years old. She was first chair in a symphony at 14. She was a prodigy. She went down a water slide and kicked her neck back in a horrible water slide that almost broke her neck. She hasn't played the cello since she was 14. She's 37. She spent the last 10 years being a missionary and doing other things because she lost her love. Her love was the cello. She's got a voice like an angel. Guess what? She sent me a text and said, I'm playing the cello. That's what happens with this device.
We want to change the face of medicine as you know it today into a non-drug, non-invasive world.
And as safe as the developer has always said, you'd have to throw the machine at somebody to hurt them. So it's as safe as it is amazing. And as Dr. Ferrier says, it's a complete medical suite.
When you can find an instrument that is so straightforward as this, you can put it into a patient's hands and they can use it themselves, that's very rare. It is the most practical instrument I've had in my lifetime, and we have probably $200,000 of equipment in our office. And this one is the go-to every time.
And so now we're out to show the world that we have a non-drug, non-invasive therapy that works in every walk of medicine.
I've never seen anything like it. I've never seen anything be so consistently effective.
Yeah, I highly recommend this product for my practice and practices like mine, where we see patients who have common painful conditions that can be treated by microcurrent therapy that no one really believed before. It's amazing.
A device that'll scan your body, a device that'll enhance your immune system and do what God has created you to do, and that's to heal thyself.